Whoa, SWABE!
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Married with Tech. I'm Leia.
I'm Jamie, and in this one, we're taking a look at a Grail phone. So kung may Grail sneakers, may Grail phone then. And I'm of course talking about OPPO's first rollable smartphone, the OPPO X 2021.
I'm sure may mga magtatanong dito, how much siya, saan siya magiging available, and our honest answer is, we don't know. Kasi guys, what we have is a prototype. It's an engineering unit, and whether or not it will be available now or in the future or in the far future, we don't know.
Yeah, we really don't know, guys. So let's get straight to the point and talk about its rollability.
Rolling factor.
It rolls. Basta yun. So I mean, you saw our initial reactions at the top of this video, and yeah, all I can say is sobrang swabe niya. The first time we unrolled this device, it's still weird to say, but the first time that we experienced it, or I experienced it, I don't know, it's just, I can't get over of how smooth it is. So just to give you guys some specs, it's actually a 6.7-inch OLED screen when it's in your traditional candy bar mode. And by the time that it unfolds to like the full like tablet size, I don't know, for me, it's just really smooth. I have big hands. I keep on doing this. I have big hands. So the transition to me is gradual enough na hindi siya jarring for me.
Sorry, I just have to say, pwede mo namang hawakan yung phone kaysa naka-empty ganun ka. But I have to agree, it's super smooth. It's smooth like butter nga, sabi ni BTS. But you hear the motor and you feel it working as well. Here, kasi may slight hum. Nothing, you know, too loud or attention calling.
Lang naman.
Yeah, and you feel it as well. But when you feel it, it's parang sturdy, parang hindi siya hirap. It doesn't stutter. Again, smooth nga. It's probably because there are two motors, so hindi siya hirap.
I don't know what like the official term is of OPPO for those dual motors. I'll put it like somewhere on screen. Pero ang sabi nila, it gives equal force to give you that smooth experience.
I gotta agree. I felt that.
Alright, so I'm pretty sure that there are going to be some of you who are going to be concerned about durability. Trust me, I am part of that group because again, this is untested. This is a prototype machine. Pero OPPO gave some stats. They say that this is rated for 100K actuations, or that's 100 times that you can roll and unroll this device. So I did a quick math. If you do that for 3 years, that's 91 times per day. So that's definitely enough. I think the average that you check your phone is like 90 times per day or something like that. So that's already considered heavy use. So okay na yan, 3 years, that's past your telco contract already.
Yeah, and the fact that OPPO put those numbers, I am inclined to believe that there is evidence behind it. Kasi a couple of years back, I was able to visit their factory and they have a dedicated area just to torture test their phones. So I'm sure they did their due diligence and those numbers should check out. One of my concerns though, it's not a big thing really, is the fact that I find it a bit slow when opening. Could be that I'm just an impatient person. Or it can also be because it's a prototype. So hindi pa to yung final iteration of the phone. So, but I really hope that the speed is something that OPPO works on if or when they actually release this unit.
So another concern that you might have, or what we had, is actually the crease, because that's like one of the things that you immediately notice when it comes to let me say, I guess, transforming phones.
Transformers!
And that's something that like we notice in other devices.
Actually for me, it's not a big deal. Because if you're using it like a regular phone, which I think for most cases, ganun naman talaga yung gamit natin.
Siguro mga 70 or basta more than 50%, you're going to be using this in the traditional sense.
Because it's large enough, the screen is large enough for you to use it well. No crease at all. Nothing. Now, when you unroll it, then you will notice that there is a slight dip that you will feel more than you'll see. Kasi seeing it, you have to be in a certain angle or the light has to hit it a particular way. Pero when you're using it, when you swipe, yun, you will
definitely feel that little valley. But yeah, it's not crease-free, but there's definitely less of a crease.
A lot less noticeable.
So I think that's pretty much it for the rollability or the rolling factor of the OPPO X 2021. But I also want to discuss the overall design because it looks really nice. It's aesthetically pleasing. There's a nice use of lines. I have been watching a lot of architectural videos on YouTube. Pero, di ba, ang ganda niyang tignan
yeah,
Very,
I agree.
Minimalistic. Kulang na lang sabihin ko Nordic siya.
Candy.
Pero again, I really appreciate it. It does have a glossy finish, which means it will attract fingerprints. But I also appreciate it that the camera is super flush to the body.
You know, with the fingerprints, normally I'd say, I just slap on a jelly case, you're good. Pero for this, paano kaya yung case?
If the engineers at OPPO can figure this out, I'm sure they can work out some sort of jelly case.
True. One thing you guys have to know about this smartphone is it's heavy.
It's a chunky boy.
It really is. It's one of the heaviest smartphones I've ever used. Or, come to think of it, kasi dalawa naman yung motors niya. It does have that special rolling function.
Sabi ko dapat madami siyang laman or palaman, pero okay na yun.
Rolling function, para mas maganda pakinggan. And although I initially, kasi pagka mabigat yung phone, usually malaki yung battery. This one is at 4,000 mAh. So, not bad for a regular phone, but for one of this, should I say, caliber, I was expecting it to be bigger, at least 5,000 mAh. But yeah, what's causing the weight is not the battery. It's really the two motors making it special.
Yeah. So just to go over a couple of things, again, we can't stress this enough. This is an engineering unit or a prototype. So internals ito, it's kind of dated. So you have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. So, I mean, it's not the best of the best, but expect it that if this does make it to market or when it does make it to market, OPPO will most likely equip this with, I don't know, kung anong 890 or anong flagship processor ng Qualcomm by that time.
The baddest and bestest.
The bestest. And then yun nga, so mention ni Leia, 4,000 mAh battery. Now, if you watch yung video ni Yugatech from Justine, ang sabi niya nga, it's medyo battery hog yung smartphone na to, which we are seeing. Right now, we don't have actual numbers to show you guys or share with you guys, but it just got discharged. We've unrolled it and rolled it a few times. It's at 80% already, so that's pretty fast. So again, yes guys, we're friends with the people at Yugatech. Hi guys.
As for the cameras, there are 3 at the back, but we don't have the actual specs kasi OPPO didn't provide it. So what we do know is there's a main camera, of course, and a two-spot TOF 3D camera. So ina-expect ko na yung bokeh nito is sobrang ganda, sobrang sabog nung background. But for the selfie people there, wala siyang selfie camera, guys. I don't know if it's because this is a prototype or baka naman when they actually release it, baka it's gonna be an under-display one. Because I remember a couple of years ago, the first time I ever saw an under-display camera was in an OPPO event. So baka it's just a matter of really releasing it on their, their smartphones.
So for the software, this is of course running on Android 11 with Color OS on top of it. This is an OPPO phone after all, but it's specially configured for the X 2021. Now, the best example that I can show this to you is actually when we watch a movie or a video, and you'll see that if you're just using it in your standard mode, of course there are black bars since the aspect ratio is different, but if you choose to expand the screen, it will automatically adjust to it. Now, it's not 100% smooth in transition niya, pero for something that's a prototype, pwede na siya.
Before we end this video, I want to quickly ask you guys, do you think that rollable phones like the OPPO X 2021 is the future of smartphones? Meaning, will they replace foldables? Kasi foldables yung in thing right now so please answer. I really want to know your thoughts sa comment section.
Okay, so I think that pretty much does it for your first look or this quick look at OPPO's first rollable smartphone, the OPPO X 2021. Now, I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to do a review for this because for the nth time, say it with me, this is a prototype. But leave your questions down below. Maybe we can do that as a follow-up video. I think that would make a nice follow-up video. No? But if you like this one, give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and on Instagram. My name is Leia.
My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless. See you guys next time. And of course, stay safe.
Bye!